Feeling tired, sluggish, or like you're not living up to your full potential? What if there was a way to optimize your body and mind for peak performance and longevity? Welcome to the world of biohacking. In today's video, we'll explore how beginners can start biohacking to boost health and longevity, from optimizing sleep and nutrition to exploring supplements and lifestyle changes. Ready to take control of your body? Let's dive in. Biohacking is the practice of using science, technology, and lifestyle changes to enhance your physical and mental performance. Think of it as self-optimization. Whether you're improving your sleep, adjusting your diet, or trying out the latest supplements, the goal is the same: to live better, longer, and more energetically. Biohacking comes in many forms, but here are some of the most common types. Nutritional biohacking. This involves using specific diets, supplements, and fasting techniques to fuel your body efficiently. For example, ketogenic diets or intermittent fasting are popular ways to boost energy and brain function. Tech-driven biohacking. Using devices like sleep trackers, heart rate monitors, and wearable technology helps monitor your body's data in real time. This allows you to make better decisions about how to eat, move, and rest. Mind biohacking. Meditation, mindfulness practices, and brain exercises are another part of biohacking that help improve focus, mood, and mental clarity. Biohacking covers everything from sleep and nutrition to advanced technologies like brain stimulation and gene editing. But don't worry, today we're focusing on beginner-friendly biohacks that anyone can start. Let's start with one of the most powerful and accessible biohacks: sleep. Sleep is crucial for everything from brain function to immune health. Poor sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances, weight gain, and even premature aging. To biohack your sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Keep your bedroom cool, avoid blue light from screens before bed, and try using sleep trackers or apps to monitor your sleep quality. Supplementing with magnesium or melatonin can also support better sleep, but make sure to consult a healthcare provider before adding supplements to your routine. Next up, nutrition. Biohacking your diet means fueling your body with the right nutrients to optimize your energy, focus, and longevity. A diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key to keeping your hormones balanced and supporting your overall health. Intermittent fasting is another popular biohack for boosting longevity. It helps your body enter a state called autophagy, where it clears out damaged cells and promotes regeneration. You can start with simple fasting methods like the 16-8, fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Just make sure to stay hydrated and consult your doctor if you're new to fasting. Supplements are a cornerstone of biohacking. While whole foods should be your main source of nutrients, certain supplements can help fill in the gaps and optimize your performance. Here are a few to consider. Vitamin D supports immunity and mood. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and support brain health. Magnesium improves sleep and muscle recovery. Nootropics boost cognitive performance and focus. If you're considering supplements, always do your research, start with the basics, and consult a healthcare provider to ensure they're right for you. Stress is a huge factor that can sabotage your health and longevity. Elevated cortisol, the body's stress hormone, can lead to poor sleep, weight gain, and accelerated aging. Biohacking isn't just about your body, it's about your mind too. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga are powerful ways to reduce stress and boost your mental health. Biohackers also use tools like heart rate variability, HRV monitors, to track how their body responds to stress and recovery. Exercise is another crucial element in biohacking your body for longevity. But, it's not just about hitting the gym. From strength training to yoga, the type of movement you choose can impact your hormonal balance, metabolism, and mood. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is great for boosting fat loss and increasing cardiovascular health. Meanwhile, Strength training helps maintain muscle mass as you age and stimulates hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which are essential for longevity. Don't forget about mobility and flexibility. These often overlooked areas can reduce injury risk and improve your body's overall function, especially as you get older. One of the hallmarks of biohacking is using data to monitor and improve your health. Wearable devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers can provide insights into your sleep patterns, heart rate, and activity levels. Tracking your health metrics allows you to make informed decisions about your habits and see how different biohacks are affecting your body in real time. Apps like Aura, Whoop, or even the health features on a smartphone can help you take control of your well-being. Finally, don't forget about your environment. Biohackers pay close attention to things like light exposure and air quality. Blue light from screens can disrupt your sleep, so consider using blue light blockers or apps that reduce blue light at night. Exposure to natural light, especially in the morning, can help regulate your circadian rhythm, improve sleep quality, and boost your mood. Investing in an air purifier and reducing exposure to toxins in your home can also improve your overall health. So, there you have it, biohacking for beginners. By optimizing your sleep, diet, exercise, stress management, and even your environment, you can start improving your health and longevity today. Remember, biohacking is all about experimenting with what works best for you. Try out these beginner-friendly biohacks and let us know in the comments which ones you're excited to implement. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more tips on optimizing your body and mind. See you in the next video.